Hello. So for my vocabulary lesson plan, I would do kindergarten because that is what my internship's in, and that's also what I want to teach. The topic that I chose was the parts of a plant. I feel like this is a really good thing for spring because they could actually go outside and see plants, and they could see all these things in the real world and up and close in person. The way I would do it is I'd print out this piece of paper that has them all on it and cut these out and laminate them and make little cards. So I have this the seeds, the roots, the stems, things like that. There's more the leaves and the flowers. I would use these to just introduce the vocabulary words one at a time. I would show the pictures. I like that it has pictures for kindergartners because at this point in the school year, they could read fairly well, but for some students who may not be the best at reading, it's instead of reading the word and a definition, this has the word in the pictures, so it can just show what the word is meaning and what the vocabulary word means. Okay, so after I introduced the words, all the words, each student could do this worksheet. It's the different parts of a plant. It's a cut and glue worksheet, so they cut out these words right here and then glue them up into the right spot on the plant. This one's a flower, and then they can also just color the flower too to make it be a little more fun. So that's the first way I do it. And then another thing I would do with the parts of a plant is teach them about there it is, the needs of a plant, to survive. So the air and rain, the sun, the soil, things like that. And I would do those in the exact same way because there's also these cards on here too for those. And then this worksheet is where you would cut out these words, and you would glue them in the right spot between the parts of a plant and the needs of a plant. Yeah, so that is how I would teach a vocabulary lesson to my kindergartners for the parts of a plant.